Hi peeps, and welcome to yet another episode of Willy's Garage. I do not have a big workshop, it's quite a bit smaller than it looks on video, but I do have a lot of tools and machines that take up a lot of space. I have a couple of tools that I want to put underneath my CNC workbench. These tools have originally some steel or metal frames or bases that they stand on, and they are a bit tall for me to put underneath the table for the CNC machine. That's why I'm going to make two new bases for those tools. It is my jointer thicknesser and my new metal cutting bandsaw. And I also want them to be stable when I use them. So I want them to stand on the floor with the wood legs. That's why I want to make some retractable casters. I know you can buy these retractable casters online, but I want to make them myself. Off camera I already made this prototype. I think it's going to work okay, but I have a couple of changes that I want to make before I make 8 of these. So I want to use different kinds of wheels. These have no locking mechanism, but they are smaller, so I can put them closer to the frame, which is going here. That way I can cut these metal pipes down in length. That's one of the changes. And as you also see, this is in the retracted position. When I push down this hold clamp, it holds firmly because of the straight angle on this hold clamp. But as you see, the wheel mounting pipes still are a bit off in angle from 90 degrees here. So I want to make the holes here a bit bigger so I can adjust the position of the hold down clamp on top of the pipes. I used this pipe to make this bracket. What I also want to do is maybe change some of the angles and sizes here, so I can cut off one length of this pipe, just cut over straight like so, and use this one single piece to make 2 wheel brackets. I think that is doable.